Everybody, this is Ryan. I want to give you a little overview of these here spiders that you can see are on the house and what's really cool about them. So let me give you a little bit of a close-up. As you can see there, they look like they are climbing. They look like they are climbing here for the holiday Halloween season. And a couple things to note. They have jewel type eyeballs. Some of these are in different sizes. They're all kind of black, furry, and the arms are all in a wire that's kind of posable, so you can kind of make their feet look any way you really want. They stretch from end to end, multiple feet in either direction. There's a couple different sizes. As you can see, this one up here at the very, very tippity top is quite large. But a little best practice is if you're wanting to put these on a house like this, what you can do is use fishing string. And so this is just regular old, you can barely tell, it's 50-pound monofilament, just any old brand fishing string. And I have it tied over here on the corner to like one of the drain pipes, and I go all the way over here to this corner over here, make it really tight. And then what you do is you just kind of have their feet, once you get up there in a ladder positioned, then you just take and knot it around the joints of the feet. It's kind of hidden, so if at a distance you can't really tell how they are hanging on your house. Again, these can be posed in a whole bunch of variety of different ways. Super cool. These things are many years old. They last a very long time. You just store them when you're not using them, pull them back out, put the arms where you want, put them back up, and you're good to go. Hopefully this helps.